What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds.
So made it safe. Just reach over by grandma and auntie, and we have Neville look outfit there, so, and our car seat and our little jacket. So yeah, grandma. Grandma. Hi guys, so I'm just making a quick little video to update y'all on what's happening. So I made it over by grandma and auntie, and they have boarded, Daddy and Nevia has boarded the flight, and I'm waiting nervously because my mom-in-law brought me over here because babe and my mom-in-law, she's working, so she wouldn't be able to pick them up from the airport. So I'm currently waiting for Daddy to reach, and then he tell me so them reach safe and we can go pick up my baby. I'm so overwhelmed and excited, guys. I'm keeping y'all updated as I said I would. Guys, don't mind how I look. I'm in my room, lie down. Well, my visitor's room here at auntie. So we're gonna be staying over by auntie tonight because babe is gonna be too tired after him leave work to come pick us up tonight. So we're gonna stay over with auntie, spend some time, and at least I'll have grandma and auntie to help me out here while Nevea is getting adjusted to her new home. Alright guys, so I'll check in back when we are heading out to the airport or when I'm seeing them. Listen, my whole family is on edge. Okay, like everybody's called me every single minute, wanting update, wanting to know how Nevea is doing. She boarded the flight yet? I got babe's side of family nervous, like who knows she's coming. So I'll be telling my mom-in-law like, okay, yes, she reached here, so she reached there. So guys, listen, everybody is so excited with everything. My mom is so tense. She's like, oh my gosh, I want my baby to reach safe and da. So it's like today is a very exciting day. There's so much going on. It's hard to keep calm. I'm glad I'm here with grandma, so you know grandma can talk to me, so because I'd be really nervous if I was at home by myself and babe at work. So guys, look how I cut myself. Look there. Oh my gosh, I scratched myself in the eye. So I'm so nervous, guys. I scratched myself in the eye and cut myself because I scratch my skin when I'm nervous, and I was just there digging. That's why my skin won't get better, because when I'm nervous I'll sit and I'll pick all over. That's just my coping way to scratch and pick, and you know. So my neck, as you guys can see, I've been itching at my neck also, which makes the matter even worse because my neck and my face is always breaking up because I constantly itch and go. But I can't believe I cut myself in the eye. This is crazy. Like, wow, I didn't know it would leave an actual scar. This happened yesterday, I think. Yeah, yesterday was when I was itching and I noticed it was really burning, and then I realized that I had cut myself. Can't believe I did that. That's crazy. But anyways, guys, yeah, it's so funny. Like I tell people, there's always something exciting going on in my life. My sister said, my little sister Sham, she said, Jay, your life is a movie. Literally a movie, because there's always something. I'm always on the fence. And with Nevi, I'm just I'll tell you guys later when she's here. Like,
You fill my head with roses. I can't help.
Who's that? You know her? Mommy, okay. Hug up mommy. Hug up mommy. Hug up mommy. Hug up mommy. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Mommy crying. Hush mommy. Say hush mommy. Oh, you turn the camera. Mommy crying, baby. Mommy crying. Hush, mommy. Hey, hush, mommy.
Daddy, she looks so different.
Oh.
She looks different. Oh, who is that baby?
Let's get bigger. That door.
Oh my gosh.
Let's get
I'm
big.
like, who is this baby?
Nevia. Yala. Yala. Nevia. Nevia. Don't kiss me. Don't kiss me. No, no kissing. The granddad is the best. Granddad. Come back to granddad.
You miss mommy? You show me mommy.
Where's mommy?
Point at mommy.
Where's mommy?
Show me mommy. Show mommy. Show mommy. Show mommy. Did she hug me?
Yes, finally. Nevia is here. Right, Nev? You're home? Granddad bring you home?
Granddad bring you home.
Granddad bring you home the baby. You see how you hug mommy? You hug granddad? Yes, hug granddad. Say yes, so leave me alone. Say, come back to granddad, yeah?
Daddy, so what type of slippers does she have on?
Because we have this sneakers to put on for now. Who's that? Peekaboo.
Mommy loves you. You make a hand, come put on your jacket, baby.
And our sneakers in this bag. Who's
Hi,
that?
Nana.
Mommy?
Hold on, baby. Let me fix your clothes. Hold on. Smile for mommy. Smile. Come here. Come here. Come. Give me your hand. Come. Is that your great grandma? Is that your great grandma? Oh, my jacket. I see.
Hi, sweetheart. Oh my God.
Je pourrais here, welcome. Welcome, auntie. Nevea. Welcome home, baby. Neve. Your diaper pull up. Come, man. Ooh. Your diaper won't change. And do you want to know some Sarah come through airport in a slippers? Take off her shoes. No one to put on her shoes. What's your... Who's she gonna sit? You never want to sit down in it. No, you want in there. Eh? Oh, give it to me. Okay. Wait, let me take it off for you. Say thank you. Say thank you.
Hi.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars,